This is Michael.goode from reapertrades.com with today's trade recap. I'm just going to be talking about Georgia Gulf Corporation, GGC here, and ignoring my other trades, which were all pretty unimportant. This was the big one. This is the one I was waiting for. I've been waiting for it the last few days. I was watching. I knew what to expect. I said on my blog multiple times, on its first down day, when it went below its previous day's close, I would look to short and short aggressively. Yesterday, it had a black candle day. Let me bring up the multi-day chart here. Here's the multi-day chart. So a black candle day, what I mean by that is it opened and above the previous day's close, but then it closed below its open, still above its previous day close. That's usually an indication that the momentum on a stock is dying. So I knew to expect a red day, a big red day today. I had a 2,000 share short sell order all prepared, and I just blew it. I mean, you can see from this chart, this is the intraday chart here, it opened, went up a bit, did some crazy stuff, but right here, right at 34, coming down from 36 already, it's an easy short there. It's at that point, it's red on the day, and it's got some strong intraday downward momentum. Now, then you can see here, it didn't even, there was barely an uptick until what, below 31.50. So that's an easy $3 a share, even if you don't trade that well. I don't even know how I messed this up. I didn't trade it. I shorted a bit at 31, realized I was being a complete idiot, and then covered it quickly for a tiny profit. But the simple thing to do would have been to short as soon as it went red with a reasonably tight stop. But you got to know that these morning panics, when a stock is up big, and remember this stock was up from $8 a share to over $40 a share over the last 5 days. There's plenty of room for it to fall. So you just wait for it to go negative on the day and short aggressively. And I was being stupid and I was distracted, and I have a million other excuses. What it comes down to is this was a great opportunity. This was a once every 4 or 5 months opportunity, and I missed it. Some other people have the excuse that they couldn't find shares to short. I found plenty of shares to short at Sogo Elite, one of my brokers. So there it is, perfection, and I didn't do it. I should have. Like I said, I had a $2,000 or 2,000 share short order ready. I would have had an easy $6,000, maybe more like $8,000 if I just made the trade, and I didn't. And sometimes that's what happens, and you just got to move on from there. So hopefully next time I'll actually execute and make some money. But still, for the day, I'm up for the day and for the week. Even after my loss yesterday shorting GGC, I'm still up slightly for the week, so I can't complain too much. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time at reapertrades.com.